welcome to Civil Engineers Adda. So today I'm going to show you how to create solid from our existing surfaces. So these are all the surface. You can just see in the structure tree that there are surface. Okay, so this entire element is a surface here. So to create a solid, what you have to do is I'm going to explain that in this video. Okay, so stay tuned. So you can see here, just there is a hole here. It's okay, no problem. So what I'm going to do, just go for an isometric view first, then you select any one plane here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the top surface here. So to create a solid, you have to fill the material with volume. There should be a volume here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the top surface here, then hit a pull command. So just pull it in a direction, that downward direction, because I need to fill this entire thing. So it is hollow inside now. If I fill it with the solid, then it will become a solid element. So just try to pull here. Just you are able to see here how it is getting converted. So just I have taken this as 100 mm. So just hit 100 mm. Yes, now my dear friends, just see in this structure tree, the solid has been created. Your planar element, though the surfaces will be there still, surfaces will be stay there, but your solid, this element is converted into a solid element. Okay, so this element is converted into a solid element. So now if you want, you can delete the surfaces. Okay, you can delete the surface here. Now if you want a surface from this one, if you want a surface from an existing solid, that also I will explain here, just here. So what you have to do, select any one face here, then right click on that, go and hit detach. So again the entire thing is converted into surface. Just here the solid part has been gone. Okay, so in this way you can go from solid to surface, surface to solid. Okay, see here, one more thing. Now I'm selecting this circle here. I want to create a solid bar here projecting outside. So what I'm going to do, hit a plan view here, then go there, pull command, then let me have a little bit isometric, so it will be convenient to pull. So now how much you want to pull, it is depending on your requirement. I am just going with a random value of 100 mm. Yeah, definitely escape. Yes, the solid has been created. Just here my dear friends, the solid has been created here. So in this way you can do, or you can go from surface to solid or solid to surface depending on your requirement. But just remember that it should be a surface while doing analysis. Okay, because hollow elements, you need to go according to your wish, or according to your requirement. So many beginners will be having a trouble, like they will create this plane and they will think that it is a solid. Unless and until you don't get this solid here, please don't proceed. Okay, so don't make the common mistake. So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it for this video. Meet you in my next videos. Till then, take care. Thank you.